They're called sea bites.
Keep watching Robertson's Rest and Relaxation Marathon on A&E.
Godwin, how much of that watermelon are you eating today?
I don't know. We blew a bunch of them up, so maybe one.
You blew a bunch of them up?
All right, everybody, bring it in.
Got any more?
No.
Take a knee if you want to. All right, I have prepared a subtle, combustible form of entertainment in celebration of July 4th. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! For this fireworks display, I've taken every firework and black powder that we had left.
You sure you know what you're doing, Jake?
Oh yeah, I got this covered and assembled the Dream Fireworks display. Everything has been tested and found to be very explosive, yet safe. Safety first, boys. Si, you're the most dangerous person I know. What are you talking about? You make your own napalm. That's right. Always safety first, boys. Okay? That makes sense. No, it makes good sense. All right. Safety first, okay? This display is going to be such a monster. It'll probably give the kids nightmares. In a good way. If anything happens to me, I want to be buried at sea.
James, I see the fireworks. It ain't gonna be that big a deal.
I'm just saying, you never know.
Hey, go ahead and light the fuse, dummy. I want to see how fast you can run.
All right, here we go.
Boom! Hey, we know how Jason loves a little danger. I'm trying to put a little danger in this thing for him.
Let there be light. Whoa.
Yep. Okay, we get somewhere now.
Wait for it.
The big finish, boys.
Wait for it.
They're making some noise.
Oh, is that it?
Oh, good.
That's it.
That's all that was left?
That's it.
Crescendo.
We kind of got carried away.
A little?
This is the worst fireworks show I've ever been to.
Well, thanks for watching the show.
Good job, babe.
All right, I've got an announcement myself. We have another fireworks show. If that was the Little River show, this would be the Godwin.
Oh. And bring the house down.
Hey, it's about time we got a real fireworks display around this joint.
Yeah, this one I warned the fire department we were doing.
Oh.
From the looks of Jason's little sparkler show, you'd think this is my family's first 4th of July. Let me show y'all how to do a fireworks show. Jason may not know how to celebrate, but I sure do. And I want to make this extra special because of Si being honored for his service. Burn it down.
Burn it down. I like it.
Maybe we shouldn't go that far.
What better way to celebrate both our nation and our crazy uncle than with an ungodly amount of explosives? All right, here we go.
Woo! All right.
All right.
See this.
July 4th is the time of year when we celebrate the birth of our country and the basic principle it was founded on, freedom. That includes the freedom to say what we want, like your uncle calling you a maggot, or the freedom to do what we want, like setting off a crate full of fireworks. And for this year's 4th, we have the opportunity to celebrate the protectors of our freedom. Thank you to all who have served to protect this great country, and God bless America on this great day.
That's the napalm for you, boys.
That ain't napalm, Si.
Hey, how do you go, Mike?